Hi, it's Jerry, and I was just sent this 3-tiered rolling dolly. This thing is heavy duty. It holds up to 400 pounds. It is roughly 18 inches wide by 32 inches wide by 35 inches high, has 3 separate tiers, and you could use this in a shop, you could use it in a lunchroom, you could use it pretty much for anything that you would need to have a nice heavy duty rolling cart to do. I am going to open this up and show you what's inside. And then we're going to put it together and show you how it's going to be used here. Inside the box comes with your instruction manual. It's like heavy steel frame. They send you with a little rag to wipe everything down with. And it looks like a box of parts. It has these really heavy duty casters with rubberized wheels. These are really nice. They're actually lockable wheels, so you can lock them into place so the cart doesn't roll away. I like that. It also comes with these. The slide over there is a bumper, so when this thing, when it's on the cart, if you run into something, it'll hit this bumper as opposed to actually hitting the actual cart itself, which is nice. So really heavy duty there, and it's also got all the parts that you'll need, including a little wrenchette to tighten all these down with, brackets, screws. Let's put it together. Each one of these shelves is actually a stainless steel shelf. It's got a pad on the bottom to kind of help deaden some sound, and it's got this cover, and you can reveal that and show how beautiful that is. That's going to look real sharp. Now that we've got those all unwrapped, you're going to take these U-shaped pieces and one of your shelves. We're going to go ahead and start at the top, and you're going to line up the holes with this. Take one screw and one bracket. It's going to feed through that hole like that. And you'll see it. It's going to go right into this one here. And then we're going to use the wrenchette provided and just kind of give that one a little bit of a finger tight. We're not going to tighten them all down just yet until we get all of them put together. And we're going to repeat the process on this side over here. Okay, now we're just going to repeat the process on the other side. We're going to do this for the top 2 shelves. The bottom ones are going to be a little bit different. Now it's time to put on the bottom shelf, but before we do that, we've got to install our casters. Each one of them comes with a bumper piece. Now this bumper piece actually slides over the top of this like this, and go ahead and slide it down, get it out of the way. And then there's a hole in this caster here that will line up with this hole here, so you need to make sure that they line up. Push it down, it'll lock into place, and you can see that it goes through there like that. Then we're just going to be inserting this through there into that other shelf piece and connecting it. So let's go ahead and get the other 4 casters put on first. We've got all these 4 casters put on. Now before we put the shelf in, we're going to have to slide these all the way back up. They're the bumpers. We're going to get those all up and out of the way so we can mount the shelf. Get it put in there. And then go ahead and put these pieces through here to lock them into place. Once everything's done, you can right your shelf back up and give everything a nice half turn just to snug everything up. Boy, this thing sure feels solid. It does come with this nice microfiber cloth to go and get any of those residual fingerprints off. It takes them right off of there, and it's a nice shiny finish. This is just a really nice looking cabinet. Let's go out there and go ahead and see how it rolls. I put it on an incline. As you can see, this rolls almost effortless as it rolls down there like that, but it rolls so smooth. The nice part about these casters, they actually have locking casters, so you can push down, locks that thing in place, and it's not going to go anywhere even on an incline. That's pretty well built. This is going to be great. I can load up all this extra stuff, carry it clear out to the shed over varying terrains. Could equally be used inside as perhaps a service trolley to go ahead and get things, maybe moving to a different location. Overall, I think this is a great cart. It's built extremely well and should provide many years of trusted service.